Hey everybody, today I want to talk a little bit about a Chrome extension called Mote. What Mote does is give you the ability to add voice comments to Google's Classroom, Docs, Slides, and Sheets, enabling students to hear your voice as opposed to just reading your comments. So what you do is start by going to justmote.me, and this is their homepage, and you'll see this button right here, Add to Chrome. And clicking that will add the Mote extension to your extension bar in Google Chrome. And you should see this little purple icon. And when you click that, that is your Mote dashboard, has all your account information, and you can toggle on and off features that you do or don't want to use. And then once that's there, you are good to go, adding voice comments to any of those G Suite applications I just mentioned. So right now I'm going through my study guides that students deposited on Google Classroom. And this enables me to kind of read my comments to them as opposed to typing them. So right here where you would add private comments, you see right here the little purple icon for Mote again. So what I would do is just click this, and that starts the recording process. So if I wanted to record a comment for Ignacio, I would just click this and then speak. Ignacio, thank you for the great work on your Into the Wild study guide. I really appreciate the effort, and you have a lot of really great thinking here. And then I would click Done. And automatically, Mote adds this voice comment right here to the private comment section of this classroom activity. Now, if I wanted to take it a step further, and if I have the unlimited account features, which do cost a little bit, I'll talk about that in just a few minutes, I can click this to review and edit my transcript and my recording. So when I click this, it's going to automatically start the recording that I just made, so you can review it, make sure it's what you want to have. So I click this. Ignacio, thank you. And you can hear me speaking there, but you also can see this transcription if you have the unlimited features. Now, you can edit that. So if I wanted to, add a little bit of punctuation, Ignacio, thank you for the great work. Really appreciate the effort. And, let's add another comma here. And you have a lot of great thinking here. Basically this captured what I said really well in the transcription phase. So I would just save any changes that I make, and then that's going to affect what gets posted here as well. Now, another nice feature of Mote is if you, again, have the unlimited account, you can click Save As, and this will save any comment you just made to the Mote book. Now, I really recommend using the Mote book if there are comments that you're leaving for all the students that you have. So if there's something that you're constantly reminding them of, whether that is the way to complete a specific problem in math or science, a certain problem with in-text citations in English class, a certain way of conjugating verbs in a foreign language, you might leave that reminder so much that you want to basically have it as a canned response. So you could access that in your Mote book. So right here, you would just click a name, save that comment that you're going to be using a lot, and then it will be available for all of your students across platforms in different classes on Classroom. It's really awesome. Now, this comment was just for Ignacio, so I'm not going to save it to my Mote book. So I would click Exit, and then I would post that for Ignacio, and you'll see that it'll give him the transcription, but also the audio file so he can listen to my comments. Then, however, if I wanted to, let's say, go to another student and leave that same comment, instead of clicking this, I would hold down the Mote button, and that would open up my Mote book. Now, here in my Mote book, I've got a ICE method, which is something we use for our essays and using citations and how to elaborate on a quote with explanation and introduction. So I might click that, and then that would copy it automatically to the private comments here if that's something that this student also needed a reminder of. So it's got a lot of really great features. There is, by default, a free account, and you get unlimited Mote recordings. You get a 30-second recording time, which I find to be plenty. But if you want something more substantial, I recommend this unlimited account. You get not only 90 seconds, but you also get that voice-to-text transcription, and you can also translate Mote transcripts. So if you want to reach a student for whom English is not their first language. If you want to kind of translate yours into another language, it works really, really well. And this gives you all kinds of functionality. Now, the unlimited is $49 a year, but they're running a 20% sale right now. So if you use the code Mote Club 20, you can get it for around $39, which I think is definitely worth it. In addition, what I'll be doing is adding a code in the description of this video. So if you want to try unlimited features free for 30 days, click that link and register for Mote, and you'll get a free 30-day unlimited trial account. And so if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with me. I'm always here for you if you have any questions. And other than that, have a wonderful day, and I hope you find Mote as useful as I do. Take care, everybody.